welcome to the Logging Aid channel. Today, for this video of Logging Aid, I will be showing you how to fix Wi-Fi not showing on Windows 10. So for the issue, what you can do over here is you can troubleshoot the Wi-Fi. For that, click open the Wi-Fi over here, right click on that, and there you click on troubleshoot problem. This will start detecting the problems in your network or in your adapter. If there is, it will show you the issue and the problem that has been occurring. So here you choose in Wi-Fi and then click on next. Now it will start collecting the result, and if there is any, it will show you on this over here. If there's not, it's just gonna give you this options over here. So if you have any issue, you will have also the option to fix the issue. You click over there and the issue on Wi-Fi will be solved. Likewise, you can also do the airplane mode. So make sure that Wi-Fi is turned on over here. Click on Wi-Fi and there you can see the Wi-Fi is turned on. You can just tap that and turn it off and again turn it on. This might fix the issue occurring on your Wi-Fi. Likewise, you can try the airplane mode as well. Click that. Again, click once more. It will be airplane mode on and off option. This is also one of the process to fix the Wi-Fi not showing up or not working. The another option what you can do is see if a Wi-Fi network you recognize and trust appears in the list of networks over here. If it does, select the Wi-Fi network and then try to connect it. These are a few options how you can fix Wi-Fi not showing up or working on your laptop or Windows 10. Likewise, what you can do is click on Start over here and then click on Settings. In this setting, you need to click on network setting. That is over here, network and internet. Click that. Now here you will be able to make the advanced changes over here, like change adapter options. Now here it will show you your Wi-Fi connection. Right click on that and here you will have the option to connect, disconnect, disable, enable. You can do this to fix the issue as well. Similarly, you will have the network troubleshoot over here. Click that and it will start detecting. It's the similar process as the very first one that I have shown you. These are a few processes for how you can do it. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe to the Logging Aid channel. Thank you.